Hey, what's up, guys? If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping in. If you're not, thanks for coming back. We're going to be working on my 2018 Renegade X XS E-Tech. Stay tuned. Today we're going to fix the snow flap. We got one of the pop rivets pulled through when I was backing off the trailer. The snow flap got underneath the studs and he yanked down on it and pulled one of the pop rivets through. So we're going to drill that out today. We'll grab a hold of the back, hold on to that, and let's get to it. So what we're going to need for this project today is a pair of vice grips, pop rivet gun, ratchet with a T30 socket, pop rivet and washer, 3/16 drill bit, a drill, and a pair of safety glasses. Let's get to it. Alright, so first thing we got to do is T30, we got to get the bumper out of the way. Alright, now we can get this out of the way so we can get to that pop rivet. So we'll get some vice grips, get on that, so it'll hold it when we're drilling, it won't spin. Right now the head of that is behind us. Okay, now we got to get behind the snow flap and get that head of that pop rivet out. And what you're actually doing is drilling the head of the pop rivet out. So now we put the new pop rivet in the hole, and then you put a washer on the back side, and it'll expand, and it'll keep behind the washer and tighten it up. So we'll put this through in there. Just like that. And then we got the old trusty Milwaukee pop rivet gun. Put it on like that. And just pull the trigger. That's it. All done. Pull the old brake off. That's slick. All done. Alright. I can start putting them back in. There, we're all set. Nice and sturdy. And there you go.